Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make your own custom calendar for your gym workouts. I'm going to show you how to make, specifically I'm going to show you how to make this calendar, which is a 3-day split gym workout. It's a pretty typical gym workout where you're going to the gym 3 times a week, and on Mondays you're going to be training your back, triceps, biceps, forearms and abs. On Wednesday you're going to be training your triceps, chest and shoulders, and on Friday you're going to be training your hamstrings, calves and quads. Now, how did I make this calendar? Well, when you sign up to pincalendar.com, you get a few free calendars you can set up. So I already started off by adding some events, so I'm going to show you how to add an event. So let's say you want to go swimming on Tuesday. So I'm going to show you how to add swimming to your calendar. So we're going to press the add event button basically, and we're going to add swimming as the event title. And under the button here, we want this to be unchecked, and just save it, and that's it. So here we are. So swimming has been added, and let's say if in the future you're wanting to check that off, it's now checked off. So clicking on it, and now it's unchecked again. What can you do with this calendar? Well, you can print it. This is a monthly calendar with an overview of the entire month. So the only, at least on a Mac here and using Chrome, you would go under more settings, and you may need to adjust the scale here so it fits on one page, and then just print it. And this is what it looks like once printed. Alright. And here it is, the printed page with the workout. Easy to check off items. Next, I'm going to show you how to change the photos on the back here. If you like, you can go up here on the hamburger menu here and select edit calendar, and then under photos scroll down to the month you'd like to change. Oh, I noticed that we have December and March the same, so we can change this, and let's select a different one. I don't believe we have this one, so we just change the photo here. And now if you go into December, we have this photo. Check the video description below for a link to the calendar. From there you'll be able to print off the calendar without even needing to set up an account. Next, I'm going to show you how you can fork this calendar so you can basically make your own edits to it. So we're going to basically look for the calendar and we're going to copy it. So let's search for the free user. I created a user called free, under which this calendar is located. So let's search on the Pin Calendar website. Let's search for free and then click on users. And if you click on the user's pin board, you're going to see the calendar is here on the left hand side. So this is the actual calendar. So what you want to do is click on the fork button. Basically, this is going to give you a personal copy of the calendar. So it's going to create a new calendar that's a copy of the old calendar, except this one's going to belong to you. So this is a copy of 3-day split. So this is your personal copy here. And at this point, what you can do is you can edit the calendar. So you can change the name. You can also, if you decide you don't want to have those specific events appearing, so unclick inherit events, and what this is going to do is it's going to remove all the events. If you just like the pictures but you don't like any of the events, then you can click on unclick inherit events. If you like to inherit that user's events, okay, so you get all these events. Now you won't be able to make changes to these events because they don't belong to you. The actual calendar is made by somebody else, so you'll basically, these are not your events. So at this point, you can, however, add your own events to this calendar. So let's say we want to go running, and let's save that event. And here's running. And what we can do is we can check running. We can make comments. We can add to-do tasks. So we can, let's say, bring water. All right, so here's our running event on our calendar, and it's been completed. Or if you uncheck it, it's not going to be completed. All right. Check the video description below for a link to the calendar. From there, you'll be able to print off the calendar without even needing to set up an account.